In this video, I'll guide you through how to SSH into a Google Cloud VM. If you're new to Google Cloud Platform or just need a refresher, this tutorial will help you securely access your virtual machine instance using SSH, which stands for Secure Shell. SSH is an essential tool for remotely managing and configuring your servers, and Google Cloud makes this process straightforward. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Cloud Platform console. Once you're logged in, look for the left side menu and find Compute Engine. This is the section where you can manage your virtual machines and other computing resources. Click on it and then select VM instances from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to a page listing all the virtual machines you have set up in your project. Next, you'll see a list of your VM instances. Here, you need to select the instance you want to SSH into. It's important to choose the right one, especially if you have multiple instances running for different projects or environments. Once you've identified the correct VM, you'll notice an SSH button next to it. This button is your gateway to accessing your virtual machine's terminal. Clicking the SSH button will initiate a new browser window or tab that opens up the terminal. This process might take a few moments as it establishes a secure connection to your VM. Once it's ready, you'll find yourself in the terminal interface of your virtual machine. From here, you can execute commands, manage files, and configure your server as needed. The beauty of this setup is that it's all done through your web browser, so there's no need for additional SSH clients or software on your local machine. While this method is the simplest way to SSH into your Google Cloud VM, it's important to ensure your Google Cloud project settings and permissions are configured correctly to allow SSH access. If you encounter any permission issues, check your IAM roles and make sure that you have the necessary permissions to access the VM instances. Additionally, ensure that your firewall rules allow SSH traffic, which typically operates over port 22. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Google Cloud VM using SSH. This method provides a secure and efficient way to manage your virtual machines, whether you're deploying applications, performing maintenance, or troubleshooting issues. As you become more familiar with SSH and Google Cloud, you'll find that this powerful combination can greatly enhance your workflow and productivity. Remember, being comfortable using SSH is crucial for managing cloud resources effectively. It opens up a world of possibilities for remote server management and can be a vital skill in your toolkit. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more about Google Cloud's features and how they can help streamline your projects. Thanks for watching and happy computing.